Welcome to Aryabhat Center for Theoretical Physics. This is in this video I am going to solve these two problems, and these two problems are integral, and this lecture series is the part of this solved problem. Now first integral is integral sine cube x cos to the power 6x and dx. So how we can solve this problem? First of all, we can write sine to the power qx as sine square x sin x. Now we know that sine square x plus cos square x is 1. It means sine square x is 1 minus cos square x and cos to the power 6x sin x dx. Now we can write sin x dx as differential of minus differential of cos x. So minus differential of cos x, because we know that d cos x to the power dx is equal to minus sin x. It means d cos x is equal to minus sin x dx. So we can write sin x dx as minus d cos x. So minus 1 minus six x d cos x. Now we arrange all these terms. Minus cos 6x d cos x minus integral cos to the power 8x d cos x plus some constant, or cos 8x d cos x minus integral cos cx d cos x plus c. Now if we assume cos x as y, then cos to the power 8x will become y to the power 8, and integral of y to the power 8 dy is simply y to the power 9 divided by 9. So we can write just cos to the power 9x divided by 9 minus cos, this is cos to the power 7 x divided by 7 plus c. So this is the answer of the first integral. Now let's come to the second integral, sin 4x cos square x dx. So sin 4x cos square x dx, we can write sin x cos x to the whole square sin square x dx. We can write this sin 4x cos square x as sin x cos x to the power whole square sin square x. Now we know that 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. It means 1 by 4 sin square 2x sin square x dx. Now we can write sin square x as 1 by 4 sin square 2x as minus half minus cos 2x dx. This how we can write. Now we take our 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 and it will become 1 by 8 sine square 2x 1 minus cos 2x dx, and then sine square 2x cos 2x minus 1 by 8 sine square 2x cos 2x dx, and then we can write sine square 2x as this is simply wrong, this is 1, so here it is only dx. Sine square 2x we can write 1 by 8 half minus half cos 4x dx, and minus 1 by 8 we can write sine square x 2x as sine square 2x as d sine 2x. This we can write this one as sine square 2x d sine 2x, and we will get 1 by 16 x minus 1 by 16 sine 4x divided by 4 minus sine cube 2x divided by 24, or you can say 48 plus c. So this is the answer of this second integral. So we can solve similar integral this way.